Where did we just come from?
Calgary.
What was in Calgary?
A new KTM 1290 Super Venture R we picked up today. I think it's in the back of the truck. Look at that. Woo! Let the good times roll. Let's go!
You gotta see this beauty day.
It's beautiful outside. Minus 22, but man, the sun is warm.
Yeah, it's cold. We're in our Ram 1500. We left the bus in Sparwood.
Left the bus in Sparwood, kind of missing it. So we had to bring the truck to pick up the new bike at BFD in Calgary. Yeah, it's a great day. Beautiful day.
Burn down.
Recap from yesterday. We headed home from Calgary with the KTM in the back of the truck. We picked up the bus in Sparwood, and we had to actually give it a little boost with some booster cables that doesn't like the winter, the 7.3. Anyways, Michelle decided to jump in the bus, and I was going to carry on, or I did carry on to Cranbrook. Took my KTM to a buddy's house, said he'd be able to keep it for me till April in his heated garage. Michelle proceeded to head to Fernie and get another campsite here at the Fernie campground. It's a great place. You know, what a weather change from yesterday. We left Calgary at, it was like minus 30, and today here in Fernie it's like minus 4. Beautiful. Not as sunny, but still nice and warm. And yeah, we'll keep you posted. Take care.